Hey guys, welcome to It's On, and it's time for the continuation of the Java programming challenge. So let's begin. Let's understand what exactly is the Hello World program in Java. The first and foremost statement in program 1 actually denotes that this is a public class. That is, this particular class is available for any other functions outside this particular program. Now for a beginner, this might not make a lot of sense, but whenever you're writing a program as a beginner, please do make the class public, because if you try to change it to private and protected, you'll need to follow some particular rules which will be addressed later in this particular course. For now, write every class as public as you want to make it accessible for everyone. The next part is the public static void main, string, brackets and args. Now the public static clause stands for that this particular main is a single instance. You see, everything in Java is oriented around objects, but even if you have 1000 objects, you only need one main function. The main stands for what we can actually derive from the name. It's primary for something. That something is execution. The void here denotes that this main function isn't directly returning anything, but it is executing something. And inside the parenthesis is an array of strings. Now what exactly is an array and what are strings? Well, we'll come to that later. The third statement of the program states that system.out.println, hey, it's Pragyan. Now the system is a package. For now, packages can be denoted as existing features or existing Java programs that help you. Later, we'll be creating packages on our own and deploying our programs in a structurable manner, but for now, system is an existing set of programs that we can help for doing some kind of functions. The system.out means that we are extracting a program called out of the system package. Then we have the function called name println. Now this particular println means that it will print everything that is given inside the parenthesis. Also along with that, it will put an automatic new line. I think that should be enough for now. Hey guys, that'll be all for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share if you liked it.